Principals, listen. I know you get more emails than anyone else, more phone calls than anyone else. You got enough going on that could keep you strapped in your office chair 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I know it. I empathize with you, but guess what? Your people don't care. Your people don't care. They want to be led. They want to be supported. So you've got to find a way to be visible, effectively visible. And what I mean by that is this. Your job is to hunt, gather, protect, and defend. Hunt and gather everything your staff needs to get the right work done. And you can't do that in your office all day long. Trust that everything else will work itself out. This is part of the blessed burden of leadership. But your people need you. Your stakeholders need to know you, and they need to know that you know them.